I thought I'd do one of these room tours. This is where we're staying, Bellevue at Trinity Beach. It's a 3-bedroom apartment. There's a little toilet in there. One of the brats will stay in here. And the other 2 brats will stay in this room. Nice wooden floorboards. Nice open space. There's an office. I'll be using that for my YouTubing. There's the main bedroom. And included ensuite, bath and shower. Everything we need there. Fully equipped kitchen. Nice patio area. Couple of banana lounges. And there's the view over Trinity Beach. That's why I booked this place. Cheeky pool down there. This is a staircase that leads down the back of our unit down onto Vasey Esplanade at Trinity Beach, named after a World War II general that unfortunately died in a plane crash just south of Cairns Airport in 1945. Beautiful looking beach, Trinity Beach, but you won't catch me swimming in that water. There's a few too many critters in there that I don't like. It's nice and warm. It's about 29 degrees today, which, looking at the weather forecast, it's supposed to be like that just about every day. There is rain predicted, but haven't seen any yet. You can imagine crocodiles on this beach at some stage. But I'm sure they do a good job keeping them off the beach. We relocate them to other areas, maybe crocodile farms and stuff. You've got a fenced off area there, or a netted off area for people to swim. Be blowed if I'm going to do that. I just think it's low percentage football, swimming in these tropical waters. You know that there's like box jellyfish, but there's also those other things, those really microscopic jellyfish. What do they call it? Irukandji or something like that, that are the most deadly jellyfish in the world. And there you go. The lifesavers are telling people no swimming because of the stingers. But still people swimming there. I don't get it. Just because there's a net there, like what happens if a wave washes one over into that area? Crazy. But, you know, some people like to take these risks. A fair few people getting around on walks, and there's a bunch of cafes and restaurants along Vasey Esplanade here. Another one of the reasons why we picked this location to stay at. It's a bit quieter than some of the other beaches that are further up north. Another popular one's Palm Cove, but we've heard that that's pretty busy, and so we chose Trinity Beach instead, hoping that it would be a little bit quieter and not as many people around. And certainly so far it's been okay. We'll see how it goes over the next week. There's a few holiday other holiday units along here as well, but still there's not that many people around, which is quite good. at that joint up there. That one's quite modern, the way it's been built. The Bondi Beach vibes about it. Certainly a beautiful beach, Trinity Beach. Wonder what these plaques are over here. It's got something to do with the wall. World War II. Oh, they were using it for training. Training beach landings on here. I wonder if any of my relatives trained on this beach. I'll have to look it up on Google later. There's one of the restaurants that dots Vasey Esplanade. I think we got a booking for that later for dinner. And there's a couple of hotels and other restaurants further up here as well. Another big set of holiday units over here. Doesn't seem to be many people milling around them though. Pretty pretty close to the water really. I wouldn't fancy much being here when there was a cyclone on. We're walking up the back steps back up to the unit again now. These will be handy when we go down to the cafes and restaurants while we're staying here. I'll try to point. You can't point with these GoPros. That's where we're staying up there. We're on the second level.